Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and this is Emerald. And we're gonna make some protein bars. All you need is some chocolate peanut butter, some chocolate chips, some ground flaxseed, agave, some oatmeal, protein powder, and some coconut flakes. So let's get started. We're gonna pour 2 cups of oatmeal into a bowl. Then you have your 2 scoops of protein. And your 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. We have a 1/3 cup of ground flaxseed. And a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Then on the peanut butter, we're gonna grab about 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So I make it about 2 big spoonfuls. That measures out to be about 1/2 cup. And then we do a 1/2 cup of agave. Then you mix it all up and I'll show you what we do next. Now that you have all your ingredients in a bowl, you're gonna use a cake thing. I don't even know what this is. I'm not a baker, as you can see. But whatever this thing is used for cakes, you mix it up. Now this is gonna take some arm muscle. You notice I had to put the baby down because I can't mix this and hold a baby. That's too much. But as you can see, the consistency that's coming together, just keep mixing it. Ooh, it's looking good. Look at that. Now, you're gonna need like a loaf pan, and you're gonna take some saran wrap. You're gonna leave a little extra on the sides. And then dump your mixture in there. And then you want to press it in to the pan. Now, once you press it all in, that's what it looks like. You just wrap it back in with the saran wrap and stick it in the freezer for about 32 minutes to an hour, probably more like an hour. And then they're ready to go, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, these protein bars have been in the freezer for about an hour. And now what you do is you just grab the saran wrap, take it out, and you're gonna cut it into 12 servings. There you have a no-bake protein bar. And I will list the ingredients so you have them down in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and put any suggestions in the comments that you would like to see a video of. Thanks.